holding your hand anymore till you figure it out. I tried with you. Dante, I've encouraged you to get out of this fucking dump and go back to school. To take charge of your life and find direction. I even transferred so you'd be more inclined to go back to college if I was with you. Everyone said it was a stupid move. I didn't care. Because I loved you. And I wanted to see you pull yourself out of this senseless dump since that whore dumped you all so many years ago. And now you want to go back to her so she can fuck you over some more.
Nice.